Hello everyone, this is Usharani Arsmali. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Pedagogy of Science Module 12 quiz time. And the questions and answers for the following quiz are: question is, teacher involves the learners in an activity to record data by measuring comparative length using their own height, thickness using thread and touching the surface of stem of plants in herbal garden. Which science process skill learners will go through while doing this activity? Look at the following: comparative measurement of length, and second one is observation through touching sense. So the options are: only 2 is correct, only 1 is correct, 1, 2, 3 are correct, only 3 is correct. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3 are correct. Next question is, while discussing about solutions in class, you invite one student to dissolve a substance in water. After adding certain amount of the substance, it starts appearing at the bottom of the container. What conclusion would you expect to get from students? The solution becomes saturated, the substance starts freezing, the solution becomes unsaturated, water starts freezing. And the answer is, the solution becomes saturated is the correct answer. Teacher involved the students in an activity to draw sketch of the plants of their own choice in the notebook and paint it, take pictures and make a collage. To the activity, which of the following main concepts teacher is trying to construct among the learners? And the options are: diversity in plant habits, only about trees, only about herbs, only about shrubs. Answer is diversity in plant habits. To introduce the different ways of producing sound, a teacher of your neighboring class is planning to give opportunity to her students to produce the sound in whatever manner they can. But you don't want your students to get disturbed. What do you advise the teacher to do? Options are: avoid doing such activities, close doors and windows of the classroom and ask students not to be too loud, take students out in the playground away from all classrooms to do the activity, ask students to do such activities at home. Answer is: take students out in the playground away from all classrooms to do the activity. Meera is a visually impaired student in your class. Which of the following approaches will you adopt to ensure that she is also included in all the activities being done? Facilitating her to touch and feel the various vibrating objects, feeling the jumping rice grains spread over tabla membrane, another student describing what she or he is observing, a mix of all above approaches. The correct answer is a mix of all above approaches. In India, at which stage of school education is science introduced as a separate discipline? Upper primary, primary, secondary, HR secondary. The correct answer is upper primary. During nature walk through a herbal garden conducted by a teacher with students of class 6 for collection of the data for different plant habits, while concluding the topic, teacher observed that few learners reported rose as a tree and golden apple as a shrub. Which of the following competencies teacher has an objective to develop in learners through this his nature walk activity? Are: learners will be able to make efforts to conserve the environment, learners will be able to relate different plants with each other, learners will be able to classify plants on the basis of their habits, learners will be able to exhibit the values towards life. The correct answer is learners will be able to classify plants on the basis of their habits. You are demonstrating the following activity to students. Onion is chopped and dissolved in water. The resulting solution shows positive litmus test. Choose the correct option for the phenomena. Acid is produced in the solution which turns red litmus blue. Base is produced in the solution which turns red litmus blue. Base is produced in the solution which turns red litmus blue. Acid is produced in the solution which turns blue litmus red. The answer is last option. You want to help the students to realize that all sounds are not audible to human beings. What might be the most effective strategy in your opinion? The options are field trip, quiz, project, role play. The correct answer is project. Learners were asked to explore about the fiber which is made up of protein. Which of the following need to be explored by them? Rayon, cotton, polyester, silk. And the answer is silk. Number of questions are 10. Answer 10. Score is 10. If you liked my video, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon next to it so that you will get the notifications about my latest videos. Thank you for watching. This is Usharani Arsmali.